Hi, this is Adam, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect your listing so you can respond to reviews directly from your iMatrix Reputation Tracker module. When you navigate through from your iMatrix dashboard to your Reputation Tracker module, you will see four tabs on the left. Select the Reviews tab to display all of your reviews in one place. The Reviews tab not only allows you to monitor what your patients are saying about your practice on top social sites, it also empowers you to easily reply to every review all within one platform. This reduces the time spent reading and replying to reviews by having them all in one place. In order to reply to reviews from your iMatrix platform, you must first connect your listing by entering your credentials for each social site. In this example, I will show you how easy it is to connect your Google listing. First, select Connect to Google Now. If you haven't claimed your listing, you can select the Start Claiming button here and complete the process to secure your credentials. Once your listing is claimed, select Control Your Listing, then enter your email and password for your business listing account. Remember to be sure to do your Google My Business email and password, not your Gmail account credentials. Once you've entered your Google My Business credentials, click the Control Listing button. When you enter your credentials, the iMatrix system will confirm you have provided the correct credentials for your business listing, and upon success, you will receive a congratulatory message. Your credentials are now stored in an encrypted fashion, so you can rest assured they are safe. The next time you want to reply to any review, you will have easy access by simply logging in once through your iMatrix account. You are now ready to reply to reviews.